Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we talked about rising prices in 2026 of DDR RAM, and DRAM is on the rise because of the AI data centers that are extremely DRAM hungry. So there's basically they're barely capable of putting up with the demand. And to give you an idea, a study that just came out tells us that the DDR5 DRAM, 2 sticks of 32 gigabytes, has shot up 400% since July of 2025. 400%. That's 4 times more expensive. And they were giving examples that now you have 2 sticks of DDR5 that could easily reach almost $1,000. This is insane when you think about it. I remember 16 32 gigabyte sticks to be like really super cheap at some point. So this tells you one thing. It's that technologies are going to be expensive this year, and prices are going to rise really a lot. And one of the worst things is that we thought that maybe older DRAM would be safe. So, a lot of manufacturers have decided, well, we're going to use older technologies and still, make PCs, but we won't use the latest DRAM and so on. And some have even re-released chipsets, older chipsets that were put aside because newer technologies were here, just to make sure that they could have new PCs at decent prices. Well, even DDR3, DDR4 RAM is going up fast. So where is all this going to bring us? This is crazy. And this is where AI has so many impacts on so many things, the power grids and so on. But now it's like DRAM exploding in price. Maybe this year won't be the year of a new PC for a lot of people. And not just PCs, anything that uses DRAM, including smartphones. This will impact the price of the latest smartphones coming up this year. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.